Exercise 45. In the figure above, A, B, C, and D is a parallelogram, and side AD is extended as shown. If X is 124 degrees, so this angle here is 124, what is the value of Y? What is that one? Well, we know that in a parallelogram, the opposite angles are congruent, which means that they have the same size. So this one as well would have been 124. But then this and the one I'm looking for, they form a linear pair. They form a straight line. So both added together will lead to 180, from where we can easily find the size of y as the difference between 180 and 124, which is 56, and that makes B the right choice for this question.